Hi, to add ChatGPT widget on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, you will need to go in the Play Store first and here find this Wally AI Assistant GPT Widget app. Now simply install it. I already downloaded mine, so let's open it. Here we can just skip this introduction, tap not now, and now we need to open permissions. So let's do it. Go in your AI assistant and here enable this allow display over other apps. Now we can go back in this app and here we just need to tap this start button and now you can see this widget right on your home page. You can drag this widget wherever you want, just across the screen like that. And to use it, just tap it and here ask him to do anything. For example, let's ask him to tell a story. Tell me a story. And then tap the arrow. And now simply wait a couple of seconds till it would be loading and here is your story. You can copy it, paste it wherever you want. And if you would like to remove this widget from your home page, just drag it down like that and now it is gone. And to use it again, you'll need to tap again this start button. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.